Hey everyone, Ben here, Director of Men's at AK Ricks. I am really excited today to bring you a designer spotlight on a brand that we have had for quite some time here at AK Ricks called To Boot New York. To Boot has been a classic menswear staple for a very long time, and specifically at AK Ricks, we've been partners with the brand for over 30 years. I've had the pleasure over the last couple decades to visit the showroom in New York and work personally with Adam Derrick, the designer, and partner with the team at To Boot to help grow both of our businesses together. The reason that we have invested in this brand over so many years here at AK Ricks is it takes care of every guy. So if you're a guy that just needs some staples in your wardrobe, like a great pair of shoes for your suit or a tuxedo slipper to make sure you look perfect at that special event, To Boot has it. This brand is for so many guys, and whether you've just started shopping at AK Ricks or maybe you've been with us since the beginning, odds are you probably have a pair or two of this brand in your closet. So they do such a great job of taking care of a guy's staples while also injecting a little bit of freshness and newness into his wardrobe. Aside from it fitting so many facets of a guy's wardrobe, the price point, which is fantastic for a shoe that is made in Italy, really opens this brand up to a lot of people. Guys can come in, you can buy a couple pairs of shoes and not feel like you're breaking the bank. Let's get into the shoes. First off, we have our never out of stock program. If you're a guy that maybe today you don't need that black dressy shoe or a brown lace up, maybe in a couple months you do, we have you covered. So we have an awesome pair of lace-ups in both brown and black that are perfect for any guy's suit. We have a beautiful tuxedo slipper and a great pair of basic loafers from To Boot. These are things that if you come in here, we most likely have your size. If we don't, it can be here in just a couple days. So now that we've covered the never out of stock, let's talk about the fun, the sexy stuff. With the AK Ricks buy this season, we tried to push To Boot into where guys really are this season. Guys want relaxed sophistication. We're talking about that a lot in our men's buying office. And a couple things that I think embody that idea are these two woven loafers. We did a black dressy woven loafer, and we did this Palomino suede with the penny. I think these are great shoes to pair with linen pants, maybe a dress short, or a linen suit if you have a summer wedding to attend. You'll notice in the marketplace, you might be seeing this idea of woven leather from a couple different brands. Bottega Veneta kind of started this and did it almost a decade ago. Even Zegna is doing this in some of their shoes. What was so attractive about this is you have this beautiful suede. It has a beautiful hand. It's so soft. It's made in Italy, and you're sitting under $500 here. So great value for what you're getting. Next up, I have a couple more loafers that I want to show you. We have this beautiful penny loafer that is done almost on the airwalk bottom. So if you guys are looking out in the marketplace right now, Loro Piana started this bottom. That shoe is over $1,000. It's almost $1,300 right now. Here you have an amazing loafer that looks really cool with suits, looks great with a sport coat and jeans, can work with linen pants, even a dress short, kind of covers you for the entire summer. And this is under $400, made in Italy. Last up, we have the piece de la resistance here, this amazing blue loafer with the horse bit detail over the penny. This is something for a guy that maybe he has all his basics covered, but he still wants something special. The other guy that this is for is a guy who wants a little attitude in his outfit, but he doesn't want to spend over $1,000 on a pair of Gucci loafers. You know, this has a look from a distance. This almost comes off as black, but you get up to it within a handshake distance and it's blue. Really cool with a blue suit, worn casually, maybe with a polo to rehearsal dinner. I love this look. I think it's really special. And also for this one, $450. So great deal. So now that you've seen the incredible world of To Boot, just want to thank you for joining me today and say a note of thanks to both the team at To Boot in New York, to Adam Derrick for being an amazing partner over the years. The showroom is fun, the guys are fun, they're laid back, and I think they speak to the vibe of the brand. and you guys have always been such great partners with us, and looking forward to continue growth and to also speaking to more of you about this beautiful brand. It's a classic. It's been here forever at AK Ricks, and excited to show you what's new next time you're in.